10 Bible verses for strengthening faith during trials. 1 Corinthians 16:13. Be on the alert, stand firm in the faith, act like men, be strong. Ephesians 6:13. Therefore, take up the full armor of God, so that you will be able to resist in the evil day, and having done everything, to stand firm. James 1:12. Blessed is a man who perseveres under trial, for once he has been approved, he will receive the crown of life which the Lord has promised to those who love him. 1 Peter 5:9. But resist him, firm in your faith, knowing that the same experiences of suffering are being accomplished by your brethren who are in the world. 2 Thessalonians 2:15. So then, brethren, stand firm and hold to the traditions which you were taught, whether by word of mouth or by letter from us. Galatians 5:1. It was for freedom that Christ set us free. Therefore keep standing firm and do not be subject again to a yoke of slavery. Philippians 1:27. Only conduct yourselves in a manner worthy of the gospel of Christ, so that whether I come and see you or remain absent, I will hear of you that you are standing firm in one spirit, with one mind, striving together with the faith of the gospel. 1 Corinthians 15, verse 58. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be steadfast, immovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord, knowing that your toil is not in vain in the Lord. Romans 5, verse 3. And not only this, but we also exult in our tribulations, knowing that tribulation brings about perseverance, and perseverance, proven character, and proven character, hope. 2 Timothy 4:7. I have fought the good fight, I have finished the course, I have kept the faith.